What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Capsule CRM platform and its features and benefits. Capsule CRM is one of the best CRM platforms, that customer relationship management platform, that can help you manage your leads, your contacts, and your business, create pipelines and manage them, and so on for your projects. So let's get right to it. First, you'll have to go to their website, that's capsulecrm.com, and you will land on their homepage. So that is what it looks like here. It'll give you some key features and overview of the benefits of the platform here. So like the contact management here, and you have animated GIFs or animated pictures that shows you some of the key features and benefits here. And here sales pipelines, the sales analytics, and so on. And you have a free trial so that you can try the platform for yourself before subscribing to it here. And here the integrations, it tells you that there are integrations with some of the most popular tools such as Gmail, Zapier, and so on. And you can click here to view all integrations and so on. So you get the idea here that they have that's an overview, and you can view tutorials, view the support docs, and so on. So here let's start and try it for free for 14 days. And you can also click on login here to log into your account. And here you have the features, the different features of the platform. So there are contact management, email marketing tools, task and calendar, projects, sales analytics, sales pipelines, workflow automations, and AI content assistant. And you also have a version for iOS and Android, so for mobile device that is free to download. You can click here to view it and download it, and you can view all features. Here there are integrations. We will look at the pricing in a bit. So we have integrations. Here we have integrations with many of the most popular tools like Zero, Sage, Free Agent, Gmail, MailChimp, all Google, all Microsoft, and so on. Now, let's look here at the pricing, so the prices for this platform. Okay, now here are the plans that are available for you. You have 4 plans: the starter and growth, advanced, and ultimate. The starter plans is for $18. That is if you pay annually, and if you pay monthly, it will be $21. Here you see that if you pay annually, you will get a discount. And the growth plan, which is for $36, the advanced plan for $54, and the ultimate plan for $72. Each plan comes with a free 14 days trial. Here you can compare the benefits and the key features of each plan, so you know which plan is best for you. And you can try out here the CRM, the Capsule CRM, for up to 2 users and 250 contacts for free. And you can view and scroll down. You can compare all plans features, and you can scroll down to view in a comparison here the features of all the plans here available, including the free plan. Now let's create an account. So let's go back here to the Capsule CRM homepage. And we can also create an account from within the plans page if we click on the 14 days trial on each plan. So let's click here on try free from the home page. That's the first page you will land on. Okay, it will get you back to the plans page where you can try the plan. Let's try here the growth plan, the most popular. They say it's their most popular plan, so let's try it for 14 days. You can sign up with your email to get started, or you can sign up with Microsoft or Google Workspace. So I'm going to sign up with my email and then click on Get Started. Okay, then it'll open this page where I can fill in all my details, so the full name, organization name, and my phone number, and so on, to continue creating my account. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, now that my account is loaded, and here I'm on my main dashboard or my home screen, that's for my account here. Okay, great, we can close it. So let's close this pop-up. And now here you have your tasks. We have a tasks for today, add a contact, and for the next 7 days. So it displays here your tasks, your upcoming tasks here. and you can click here to add a task. So if I click on it, you can enter the description for this. So that's an urgent task. Due date is tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Category, we can select a category, so call, email, follow-up, meeting, milestone. So let's say meeting. Assign to me, since I'm the only one here in my account, and click on save. And here you'll find that the task is now added for tomorrow. It's the urgent task. It's for a meeting, so the type or the category is meeting, and so on. So, and here I have my latest updates from my feed or my feed. So I can click to import contacts, add organizations, or add persons here. And here I'm on the dashboard. So the people and organizations tab, if I click on it, now I can view all the people or contacts that I have, myself and the Capsule company here, support@capsulecrm.com. And I can add a person, I can import contacts here. So if I click on import contacts to import my contacts, I can import from an Outlook or CSV file, or import from a vCard file. Let's go back here. Okay, and you can also import your data from another CRM. Okay, and I can also add a person, add an organization, and I can export my contacts. I can assign different tasks to different contacts. I can view the emails, can add tags, add notes, and delete contacts, and sort them here, or sort them here by name, last name, organization, and so on. And here I can edit the columns here. Now in the calendar and tasks, I get like a calendar view containing all my tasks here. As you can see, for tomorrow, the urgent task that we created, if I click on it, I can view the details and assign to myself here. So let's click on it. The pop-up will open, and I can edit the details for this task. So okay, and I can complete it. If I click on complete, I can also add a task to each to any date here, which is very cool. So I can add tasks directly in the calendar, and I can view the monthly or weekly view, and I can click here to view to date. So the day here, so like a daily view, and it will like mark here the day of today. So I can view also the tasks in a list view instead of a calendar view. Okay, here are all the tasks, and I can like check them here to like mark them as done. Okay, I can categorize them. I can view by category. I can view by like project, opportunity, and so on. And here in the sales pipeline, I have my main sales pipeline. Okay, so I have like many tags. So new, qualified, meeting, proposal, negotiation, contact, and so on. And I can create opportunities for sale. So let's remind me later. Okay, and I can also view the tasks in a list or a dashboard view. So in the dashboard view here, I can view the pipeline forecast, so like some analytics here, and I can add the opportunity and so on. So here in the pipeline, opportunities are like the deals that I can add here. So if I add an opportunity to my pipeline, so opportunity name, let's say great deal. Opportunity relates to myself, so how to simple. Additional, I can add additional contacts, add a description, and add tags here. So I can add tags. However, I haven't added any tags. The main pipeline is the sales pipeline. Milestone new, expected close date, so I'll leave everything as it is. The currency is Egyptian pounds, since it detects that my location is in Egypt. Okay, and I have also the projects tab here, which I can view my projects here, and project brief, planning, and delivery, and monitor. So I can add a project to any category here. Okay, and also I have the reports tab where I can get all my reports and analytics. And then I have the workflow automations tab where I can set automations to do different tasks here. And so here I can click to add automation. So that was a quick overview of the Capsule CRM platform and its key features and benefits.